Thank you very much. I am not Mark Maslin, obviously.
Time starts now, by the way.
Thank you. I'm not even going to watch that. So I have actually interviewed Mark and had a few beers with him from time to time. So I've tried to represent what I believe he would say in this context. Now, he is one of the most intelligent people you will ever come across. He's Professor of Earth System Science at University College London, and he's the author of How to Save the Planet. He has 100 people working for him on these matters. So he believes that social justice holds the key to saving the planet. And here's where his extraordinary gathering of data comes together. Here are the big numbers. The 8 richest people in the world have the same amount of wealth as the poorest 4 billion. That's the whole of the bottom half of the world's population. He believes that we're far too accepting of this, and that it is, in his words, time to pick up our pitchforks and demand change. He also believes that the facts speak for themselves. And let me give you some. I've written them all down because he has this extraordinary ability to talk for 10 minutes and provide data on the go, which is not something I'm particularly good at. So we are not all equally liable for the mess that we find ourselves in. The richest 10% of the world's population emit 50% of carbon pollution into the atmosphere. The richest 50% of the world's population emit 90% of carbon pollution. Western countries have produced over half the extra CO2, while the poorest 3.9 billion have contributed just 10% of carbon pollution. India, for example, often maligned, has produced just 3%. And as well as these imbalances, poor people in developing countries spend up to 80% of their income on food. Americans, meanwhile, spend less than 10% of their income on food. Now, shockingly, we produce enough food to feed everyone, that's 11 billion people, and yet 825 million people do not have access to enough food. So when it comes to social justice, we need to look after all the people in the world, not just the very rich. If we fix that, then we fix everything. No more famine, no more war, no need for migration, a better balanced planet in every respect. Thank you.